I'm now going to teach the G scale on the concertina, and I suppose I would always start with the D scale because it is more difficult. The G scale is not as difficult, but by learning the G scale, it's also very important to learn where C natural is. Remember, we've already learned where C sharp was in the D scale. So now we're going to do the G scale, which has C natural in it. So you might remember where G and A are from the last scale. They're on the first row here on the left hand side on the push. That's G on the push. Then A is then on the pull. And then B is over here on the pull. Middle row. So we've done those already, but we'll try them again. G, A, B. Now, to get C natural, it's the same button as B, but you push it in. So I'll do that again. Okay, I'll do that again. So the action there is push, pull, pull, push. Push, pull, pull, push. And then high D is the last note of your D scale. This note here on the left hand side, inside. Push. High E is that same button, but you pull it. And then high F is over here on the pull. And then high G is the same button on the push. So you're really just using your first fingers on each side, okay? G, A, B, C, D, E, F, push, pull, pull, push, push, pull, pull, push. So. So staying within the key of G or the scale of G, I'm going to play a little polka for you, and it's called Maggie in the Wood. It's a very, very, very commonly played polka in Irish traditional music, and lots of people learn it at the start when they're learning a new instrument. I'm going to play it for you first, as I would normally, and then we'll break it down. So that's Maggie in the Wood, and I'm going to just break it up phrase by phrase for you now. So the first section is, it begins on G, and it's in the key of G. Okay, so we're going to try that again. And the next section goes. Okay, so that goes from high D down to B. D, B, G, A, B, A, A. Okay, so those two sections together. down there goes down to low D. G, D, G. Okay? G, D. Two long E's. Down, okay. I'll do that again for you. So. Now the next section, the next 2 bars is like the first 2 bars. And don't forget to hold that E, it's very important. And then the last section, last 2 bars are G, G. So the whole first part. Okay, that's the first part. So the second part of Maggie in the Wood, it starts on high G. High G was the last note of our G scale. So it goes like this. So it's like, I suppose, going backwards on the scale. G, F, E, G. High G. And then, shall we try that again?